Howdy folks, it's Jörg from Dreamland Resort. Today I'm going to fill you in on a brand new classified project at Area 51. In September 2024, I discovered the construction of a new tower at the Area 51 back gate inside the restricted area. When I followed up a couple of weeks later, I found the 100-foot tower complete with some odd-looking antennas at the top. Turns out those antennas are the type used by commercial FM radio stations to broadcast their signal. An FM radio station inside Area 51? Sure enough, I found it on 99.9 MHz FM, playing synthesized electronic music of various flavors. Here's what the signal looks like in a spectrum analyzer. And to my surprise, I found a second similar transmitter on 99.1 MHz, much weaker in nature. In a mission documented in one of my German videos with English subtitles, I was able to locate the transmitter in the Tonopah test range near Site 4, where all sorts of radar and jamming systems are being tested. So we have two FM radio stations in the restricted area around Area 51. What's up with that? Turns out the transmitters are part of testing new equipment to jam so-called passive radar systems. Passive radar systems don't have their own transmitter, but utilize reflections of the signal from existing transmitters, preferably FM radio stations, to locate aircraft. This has the advantage that the radar site is invisible for the aircraft and cannot be neutralized. And countermeasures for this relatively new technology are apparently currently being tested at Area 51. Since the Phantom FM radio transmitters went online, I've repeatedly been able to monitor test flights of an Area 51 aircraft with the call sign Sabre 401, testing a system with the codename Pluto, presumably a jammer for passive radar systems. Here's a short audio clip from one of these missions. The full communications audio can be found on my website at this link.
Ramrod, Sabre 41, Pluto off.
1 copy, Pluto off.
Conditions.
1 roger, Pluto on.
Ramrod, Sabre 41, Pluto off.
Sabre 41 roger. 0.7 report on conditions.
Left direct 0.7 report on conditions, Sabre 41.
If we overlay the track of Sabre 41 in Google Earth, you can see that the active leg of the track is pointed right at the TTR radio site. Here's the spectrum of an early jamming test. You can see the FM signal and jamming signals in 1 MHz intervals. Then the jamming signals are turned off and only the FM station remains. During more recent tests, I did not detect an effect of the jamming on the spectrum. It appears the jammer has been modified to minimize side effects. The other peaks you see are just weak distant radio stations. The jamming tests are still going on. I will publish any updates on my Dreamland Resort website. Stay tuned, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.